How to fix Gifs not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Motion. Here, turn off the Reduce Motion feature at the top. Reduce Motion reduces the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. Then, go back to the Settings page and tap on Apps at the end. From here, scroll down and go to Messages. On this page, scroll down and turn off the low-quality image mode gesture. When this is on, images sent will be lower quality. Following these steps, you can easily fix Gifs not working on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.